Hey, Randy, for all the boys and girls at home, is this not the craziest Puerto Rican you've ever met, or what?
I'll go with that.
You will go with that?
I'll go with that.
I got a lot of relatives and co-workers who will agree with you on that. Yeah, I am the craziest Puerto Rican you will know. But I'm fun at parties. Hey, cool, huh? Beating heart for this big machine of mine. Yeah, I didn't do it. He did it.
Look at me.
Awesome. Well, there's a lot less parts on the floor.
And in the bed.
Oh, yeah, we have to take stuff out of the bed, too. Well, I know that won't be in the truck anymore.
So, you gonna come back to here and run open headers?
Yeah.
I figured.
You're gonna do that tonight? You think you'll fire it up tonight?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So what are you gonna do again?
Paint the bracket black and the throttle body yellow.
Mad scientist that you are. Vroom vroom is good.
Actually, I'll make it sound really friggin' loud.
It's a good thing you have two shops on either side of you. Nice.
So where's all that stuff go?
I know, and you kept telling me, why paint it red? It's gonna disappear. You won't even see the motor. Look at all that stuff all over it. You hit, thank God you colored the water pump.
Can't even really see that anymore either.
And I'm like, why did you color the water pump? Like, believe me. That's about all that's sticking out right now. Damn. So I guess you do know some shit about cars, huh?
Nah. Nothing.
Nothing.
First day on the job. It's nice and red underneath.
Yeah?
That's about it. Want to show somebody it's a red engine, have them look underneath.
I'll run them over first. Thank you. Spoken like a true redneck. Hey, by the way, that reminds me, up in Greenfield, I saw a pickup truck. The bumper, it said, if you can't stop, check the oil or smile when you go underneath. Almost. Almost. Little bit more. And it's gonna be killer, Gil. Do you hear me? Killer. I feel like one of those guys on the Discovery Channel. Okay, we only have, you know, like 2 more days or 3 more days in the build. The other guys over there, the other team, if you can look, they're not even doing anything. There's the truck. They're not doing anything. They're probably out at McDonald's somewhere goofing off. But we're still here. We're still working. We're cranking it out. Why? Because at the end of the build, we get a whole new set of tools that he already owns that are sitting there. Yes, on the Discovery Channel. And now a word from our sponsor. He's over there working on my truck, and sometimes you have to go get parts. You never know what you have to use to get parts, like a golf cart, not just a regular golf cart. Oh no, ladies and gentlemen. If the man behind the camera will back up a little, you can take a good look at the whole golf cart. Sometimes you have to go in deep ditches to get parts. This is New England after all. Thanks. And now a word from our sponsor. Thank you. Yeah. Next month we'll be on HBO and people will have to pay-per-view this thing.